Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Hope you all are fine and safe. As I got very busy after Eid, so I couldn't upload any vlogs. So in this vlog you'll get to see a glimpse of how we spend our Eid. Living in Saudi Arabia, ladies also have an option of offering Eid prayers at mosque. So early morning by 5 itself, we left to the nearby mosque to offer Eid prayer. So after offering Eid prayer, we left home very early as we had some guests coming over for lunch. As I got very busy on the Eid day, so I couldn't record any recipes of the food that I prepared. So in this vlog, I have uploaded a mutton biryani recipe which was prepared 1 week after Eid. I followed the same recipe for preparing mutton biryani on Eid day as well. Now let's see how to prepare this delicious mutton biryani. Now I have taken some mutton pieces. I have washed it using turmeric powder to get rid of the smell. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 cups of water. Then I have added half teaspoon of rock salt. Now close the pressure cooker and cook it until you get 6 whistles or until it becomes soft and tender. Now take another pot on a medium flame, add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. Now I have added 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 pieces of cardamom and cloves, 1 bay leaf and some mace. If you don't have this ingredient, you can skip it. Adding 3 onions to it. Saute it well until it turns slight golden color. Now adding some butter to it. Now mix it well and let the butter melt completely. As I felt the oil was not sufficient, so I added some more oil to it. Now I have washed and soaked half kg of basmati rice in the water for about 30 minutes. Once the onions are fried well, I am adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to it and saute it well until the raw smell is gone. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, I am adding about 2 large tomatoes to it, 3 green chilies and juice of 2 large lemons. Now mix all the ingredients well. Once the tomatoes get soft, I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and some salt, and then give it a nice mix. Now to prepare basmati rice, I have taken a pot filled with water. To that I have added 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and cardamom, some salt and oil, and wait until the water boils. Now meanwhile the mutton pieces are also ready. Now transferring it to the gravy that was prepared and give it a nice mix. And now leave it on a medium flame until the water reduces. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked basmati rice into it. and let it get cooked until it is 70% done. Adding some chopped coriander and mint leaves to the water. Give it a quick mix. Make sure not to overcook the rice. Now you can see the rice is almost 70% done. Now drain the water completely from the rice. Now the rice is almost ready. It's time to do layering. Now you can see the water in the gravy has reduced to half. Now I have removed all the mutton pieces and some gravy and kept it aside. Now adding half of the rice at the bottom. Now level it up. Now I am adding all the mutton pieces and the gravy which I kept it aside to it on the top. Now add the second layer of rice on the top of it. Once the layering is done, adding some chopped coriander and mint leaves on the top and adding some food colorings to it. That's completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Finally adding some butter pieces on the top. If you want, even you can add some ghee. Now cover the pot with a foil and leave it on a low flame for about 25 minutes or until it's done. Now after 25 minutes, you can see our delicious mutton biryani is completely done. Now mix the rice well. Make sure to do it slowly so that the rice doesn't break. Let me give you all a nice tip. Whenever you prepare biryani, don't just eat it when it's prepared immediately. Once you finish mixing up the rice, close it immediately and leave it for at least 2 hours before eating. By doing this, the flavors will get induced well with the rice and the biryani will taste more delicious. Now our delicious mutton biryani is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Try this recipe at your home and do send me your valuable feedbacks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Hope to see you all in another interesting vlog. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you all for watching.